Hi everybody. In this lesson we'll learn how to manage the columns. As you see here on the left of the timeline, we have many columns. All these columns we can resize it. For example, you can increase the space for each column or decrease the space. You can also change the position of some columns. For example, you can drag this to the left, drag mode and track mates to the right. As you see, modes and the track mates are docked together. So we can resize, reorder, reposition them. We can also show or hide them. You can, for example, I don't want the parent here, I say hide. If I want to reopen them, right click, column, and check, for example, parent and link. We cannot, for example, put the parent link before the naming. Some layers have a specific place to be in. We can also toggle here between modes to show more columns. As you see, we show more and more columns. We can show keys, comments, but be careful. If you show more columns, you have little space for work here. So show columns that you are work on, that are useful for you in this times, and after that you can hide them by unchecking them. Right click, uncheck keys, right click, uncheck comments, uncheck, or you can right click, hide this, right click, this is faster, write this, and you have more space to work here. That's it. Thank you. See you next lesson.